Good morning, AP Psych students. Hope you had a good and relaxing weekend. Hope you enjoyed the weather. Hope everybody in your family is doing well. I just wanted to check in today on Tuesday to talk at least a little bit about the coming week and also give you some updates. Now, I sent this message to both you and your parents in the Skyward Message Center. It's about taking the exam. Okay, and basically at this point, the College Board has changed its policy as far as canceling your exam. So I wanted to inform you. Like I said, I sent this email to your parents as well in Skyward Message Center. If you are taking the exam, keep on keeping on. And on May 19th, you log in. College Board will be sending resources to kind of help walk you through the login process, and hopefully that'll help. I'll be attending a webinar and things like that. So, you log in on May 19th, you see the 2 free response questions, you're good to go. On wood. If you're planning, if you signed up for the exam and you're deciding not to take the exam at this point, that's okay. What Mr. Orlowski has instructed us to do is that if you're not taking the exam, you just don't log in on May 19th to take it. Okay, so hopefully it makes sense. So if you are taking the exam, you log in, you take the exam. If you want a refund for it at this point, you want to cancel the exam, you just don't log in. You don't take the test. And from that, that's how they'll base their refund. So they'll give you a refund for the exam if you simply just don't take it. So there's no need to contact the College Board right now or contact Mr. Orlowski. Like I said, if you have any questions, your parents have any questions, email me. You can email Mr. Orlowski. But the idea is, if you're taking the exam, you log in, take the exam. If you have changed your mind and you decide you don't want to take the exam anymore and you want a refund for it, go ahead and do that. You don't log in. You don't take the test, and then the College Board will give you a refund after that. Okay? So, really quick, let's talk about what this week and what's being asked of you. Especially for those of you taking the tests, I'm going to keep posting the College Board reviews. I think they do a good job, and you get to listen to somebody who's not me. Dr. Swope and Miss Fenton from Stevenson High School on the north side. They're going to be talking about Unit 2, which is the bio unit. Okay, so if you have a hard time remembering neurotransmitters, neurons, brain parts, things like that, that's all stuff that's going to be covered in the week. So I'll be posting review sessions. I'll be posting the kind of review guide of vocab that hopefully helps you keep track of things that are going on in the video. You can do the review guide on your own, or you can do it as you watch the video. It's up to you. But that should help you at least a little bit gather your thoughts. The other thing, FRQs. So pretty much from this point on, we'll be doing 2 FRQs per week. Okay, you had 2 last week. So about, I think, half of you finished the first one. About a third of you finished the second one. I'd recommend you still work on those. Those are required assignments. Okay, so please keep working on those. You'll get another FRQ on Wednesday and another FRQ on Friday. Okay, so that's your out-of-class assignment for the week. Okay, looking up the vocab words, practicing how to put them in FRQ form. Just like the AP exam, one of them is going to be concept-based, where here's a scenario and apply word A, B, C, D, and E to the scenario. Okay, so that'll be the first FRQ. And then on Friday, you'll get the second FRQ, which is research-based. What's the independent variable? The variable that's manipulated by the researcher. What's the dependent variable? It's the one that measures the effect of the independent variable, measures the effect of the experiment. Did it work or not? Control group receives nothing for comparison's sake. Experimental group gets the independent variable, all that stuff. So that's what you're looking at for the week. So you have 2 free response questions to work on. I said, keep working on if you didn't finish the ones from last week, please keep working on those, get those in. And please, I think with the practice test from before spring break, we're at the point where we're past halfway. Half of each class has turned it in. But if you haven't done that yet, remember you only have, it's out of 30, 35 questions. Basically, if you get 20 questions right, you get all 20 points. This is all part of your fourth quarter project required grade, so keep working on that stuff. Good luck. Let me know if you have any questions, and we'll talk to you again soon.